It's not exactly hard. It's just, it's got quite a lot of restrictions. But harder than normal editing for most experienced players. Yeah. I mean, if you've got the muscle memory of the normal edit, then... I mean, I can't see Savage or Benji or Mongrel or any of those sort of like switching across to simple edits, personally. It's not going to happen. But for new players, yeah. Cypher was enjoying it. Yeah. I think if you're mechanically... I mean, I've seen some of the clips from Aussie Antics. We watched it on stream the other day. If you're good mechanically, you could pick it up instantly. And be really, really good at it. Can you ask me something? Yeah, go ahead, Skyfire. Do I have anyone... Did you not just say you didn't have the 14 tournament? No, Ethan. No. Okay. Did you not say... Oh no, that was JK. Well, okay. 4%. Could go with that. Morning, Pasha. How are you doing? Don't know. Which one are you looking to play? We need someone for the Middle East Cup to play with myself and Nana. But it depends whether you're looking for... The thing is, the chances of anyone advancing is top 300 will advance to Div 2, 200 on, and only 100 on NA West. And EU will have X number of thousands doing it. So trying to get top 300 is... I mean, even with the one that we did, the FNCS trial for EU. No, for NA. We did NA Central. We've got 166 points.